Hello everyone, welcome to Jyoti classes. This is part 4 of active to passive voice, and in this part I am going to discuss about all the imperative sentences with who sentences. WHO interrogative sentence who. Okay, let's we discuss about the imperative sentences and who sentences, and this one is the last part of active to passive voice. I hope you will like my video and like, subscribe and share this video with others so they can take the benefit of this video. So let's just start. What are the imperative sentences that you know very well? Imperative sentences include order or command, request and advice. So let me discuss about each and every in detail with their formats, okay, separately. First one, order or command. Whenever you are discussing about the order and command kind of sentences in imperative sentence, what will be the sentence format in active voice? एक्टिव वॉइस में जो सेंटेंस का फॉर्मेट होगा उसमें होगा फर्स्ट वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म एंड देन आफ्टर द ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल व्हेन यू आर सेइंग टू समवन, ordering to someone, open the gate, open the gate. Here open the gate, open is the first form of the verb and the gate is an object. Okay, so what will you do when you convert them in the passive voice? What will you do? You will start this sentence with let, let. ओके, जब भी आप ऑर्डर और कमांड की बात करोगे आप इंपरेटिव में एक्टिव में से पैसिव में कन्वर्ट करते वक्त उसे यूज करेंगे लेट देन आफ्टर द ऑब्जेक्ट. व्हाट्स द ऑब्जेक्ट हियर? द गेट. ओके, लेट द गेट, देन आफ्टर बी एंड देन आफ्टर थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. ओपन की थर्ड फॉर्म होती है ओपन्ड. Let the gate be opened. So what is the structure of the order or command passive voice? Let plus object plus be plus third form of the verb. Okay, let the gate be opened. Let the gate be opened. Now we try another sentence. Shut the door. What will you do? What's the verb? Shut. First form of the verb here and the door is the object. Okay, what will you do first? You will take let, then after the object the door. Be, you must have to put here be. Okay, while you are ordering or commanding someone in the passive sentence you will put be after object. Okay, let, object, be and the third form of the verb. The third form of the shut is shut. Okay, let the door be shut. Okay, would you like to try this another sentences? So I am giving you here some sentences, you try it. Okay, so here are the some sentences you have to convert in these sentences into passive voice. Open the window, bring a bottle of water and post his letter. Send your answers in the comment box and do just resume the video and watch it till the end to get much more about the imperative sentences. So next one is advice, the kind of advice sentences. In active voice, advice would be like this in first form of the verb plus object. Okay, when you convert it into passive voice the format will be object would come first, object plus should be and plus third form of the verb. Keep in mind when you are giving advice in passive voice you must have to use should be. What will you use? Should be. Okay, should be plus third form of the verb and the object would become the first place. Object plus should be plus third form of the verb. So let's take one example to clear this sentence. Help the poor. Here help is the first form of the verb and the poor is an object. So then what will you do? You will take the object at the first place, the poor will come in the first place, the poor should be and the third form of the verb help would be helped. The poor should be helped. Get it easy? And the second example is love your child. Here your child is an object. What will you do? You will take firstly your child should be, what is the third form of the love? Loved. Loved. Your child should be loved would be answer in passive voice. Clear? Whenever you are talking about the advice format in imperative sentences, in passive sentence, you will use should be plus third form of the verb. Clear? So guys, here are the some examples, and I'm giving you some sentence to do practice for it, and let's give me your answer in comment box. So here are the sentences. Okay, first one is, don't insult the poor, don't insult the poor, love your neighbor, and help the helpless. Okay, so do this and send me your answers in the comment box, and watch this video up to the end to get much more. The next one is request. Request. The request should be in the form of please or kindly. Request should be start from the please or kindly. Then what would be the sentence in that? So when you are talking about the request, here please or kindly would be used in the first place, and then after the first form of the verb, and then after object in active voice. When you convert them into passive voice, what will you do? You must have to write down you are requested to. You are requested to. And whatever the object is there, you will write down and verb. Okay. So here is the first sentence with please. Please help me. Please help me. Instead of please, what will you use? You will use you are requested to help me. Help me. Okay, it is your passive voice. Second example is kindly post this letter. Kindly post this letter. Here kindly is used instead of kindly. You will use here you are requested to post this letter. Okay. So guys, here are the some examples to do practice. You write down the answers in the comment box and send it to me, and watch this video up to the end. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe it. Okay, so here are the examples. First sentence is please take your seat. Please take your seat. Second example is please give me some money. And the last example is clean the chair. Kindly clean the chair. Okay, so do these sentences as your practice and send your answers in the comment box. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this video. In the next video of mine, I will discuss about WHO sentences, who sentences, which you will convert in the passive voice, and it would be really beneficial to you to watch this video. Till that, take care and goodbye. Thank you.